They say Valerio Pianna Watches is the next big luxury watch brand. Elegant Italian design, Swiss precision, handmade parts, and limited edition collections that look high-end and exclusive. On paper, it sounds impressive. But in 2026, when almost any brand can be faked online, the real question is this: is Valerio Pianna actually legit, or is this a well-packaged scam? I spent time researching reviews, complaints, and trust reports, and honestly, what I found raises a lot of red flags. Let's start with the biggest one. The company claims to be a luxury brand with heritage, but the domain of the website is extremely new, registered only months ago. That alone doesn't prove anything, but it's suspicious for a brand that supposedly has a long history. Then comes the biggest red flag of all: the pricing strategy. They promote watches worth $1,700 but offer them for under $100 using supposed insider codes, secret staff, discounts, or limited leaks. This type of marketing is a classic technique used by low-quality sellers to create hype and urgency, pushing customers to buy fast without investigating. Another problem is the product itself. Many reports show that the watches sold by Valerio Pianna look almost identical to generic watches sold on low-cost manufacturing sites for a fraction of the price. The designs, materials, and packaging match models that usually cost around $20 to $30. When a brand claims to be luxury but uses mass-produced designs, that's a major warning sign. Customer experiences are also mixed and not in a good way. Some people say the watches arrived and looked cheap. Others say the delivery took too long, and some claim they never received anything at all. On top of that, the company offers no clear physical address, no phone support, and barely any customer service. Just a contact form with no guarantee of a reply, another concerning detail. Several investigators online noticed that Valerio Pianna shares patterns with other online luxury brands that were eventually exposed as scams. Same website style, same limited time offers, same pressure tactics, and the same lack of transparency about who owns the brand. And let's not ignore the limited edition trick. Their site constantly shows sold out, limited drop, or exclusive collection, but there is no proof that any of these watches are actually limited. It's artificial urgency, a strategy used to make something feel special even when an I send single quotes t.so. After analyzing everything, the big question remains: is Valerio Pianna a scam? Here's the truth. Valerio Pianna shows too many red flags to be trusted. The brand looks new. The watches resemble cheap, mass-produced models. The discounts are unrealistic. The company is not transparent. And customer complaints continue to appear. My verdict: Valerio Pianna Watches is extremely risky and should be avoided. It might not be a total scam, but it definitely behaves like one. If you're looking for a real quality watch, stick to reputable brands, not a website that appeared recently and promises luxury for the price of a fast food meal. If this review helped you, make sure to like, comment, or share it with someone who's thinking about buying from this brand. Stay safe, stay smart, and always research deeply before buying anything online.